Skipping essential repairs shortcuts that backfire. It's easy to ignore small issues when you're living in a home, but buyers won't overlook them. Leaky faucets, peeling paint, or creaky floors might seem minor to you, but they can make your home feel neglected. First impressions matter, and for buyers, even small flaws can suggest bigger hidden problems. Skipping repairs can also cost you during negotiations. A home inspection will almost always reveal what needs fixing, and buyers may demand repairs or ask for price reductions. Either way, it's money out of your pocket, often more than if you'd addressed the issues up front. Investing in basic repairs and maintenance can significantly boost your home's appeal. Think fresh paint, fix broken fixtures, and address any safety concerns like faulty wiring or loose handrails. These changes not only make your home more attractive, but also show buyers that it's been well cared for. Remember, buyers are looking for a place they can move into without headaches. Tackling repairs before listing creates a sense of trust and can make all the difference when offers start rolling in.